When you operate a contact center with multiple communication channels, planning your workforce becomes complex. Different channels have distinct characteristics. Voice calls require immediate attention, emails can take hours or days to resolve, and tasks like case processing may span weeks or months. Without unified planning, you cannot accurately forecast staffing needs or optimize agent schedules across these varying workloads. This feature enables you to forecast demand across voice, chat, tasks, and emails in a single system. You can plan capacity that accounts for channel-specific characteristics such as concurrent work handling, variable work duration, and distinct service level requirements. You can schedule agents efficiently across all interaction channels based on unified forecasts. You can optimize your entire workforce within one solution, eliminating the need for separate planning tools per channel and ensuring consistent service levels across all customer interactions. Previously, you needed to use your own AWS account to complete workshops, which created barriers around account setup, credit card requirements, and concerns about unexpected charges. This prevented many builders from gaining hands-on AWS experience. Now you can request free, time-limited Sandbox environments directly from eligible workshops. You can deploy resources, write code, and experiment in pre-provisioned AWS accounts without setting up your own account. Each Sandbox provides 8 hours of access from activation with automatic cleanup afterward. You can request one Sandbox per week, with most environments ready within 15 minutes. This removes the friction of account management and cost concerns, allowing you to focus on learning and building with AWS services through practical workshop exercises. Production workloads require stability while maintaining performance and cost efficiency. You can now provision Graviton-based RG instances on the trailing track, P201, which provides a version already validated through the leading track. You access RG instances on the trailing track starting July 7, 2026, ensuring your production workloads run on stable infrastructure. You use RG.4s-large or RG.extra-large instance types to achieve up to 2.4x faster query performance than RA3 instances at 30% lower price per vCPU. You provision new clusters or resize existing clusters to these instance types based on your workload requirements. You deploy via console, CLI, or SDKs to integrate RG instances into your existing Redshift infrastructure. You need to identify which resources in your environment are actually exposed to the public internet, not just potentially exposed based on configuration. Security Hub network scanning addresses this by probing your resources from the internet to detect actual reachability across AWS and Azure environments. You can probe resources to detect actual internet reachability beyond what security group rules suggest. You can discover public IPs, VMs, and load balancers across your infrastructure. You can identify reachable ports and running services behind them, with each reachable port generating a Security Hub finding. Security Hub exposures can then correlate findings to determine broader risk by combining network scanning results with other findings and resource configurations. You can enable network scanning in individual accounts and regions or across your organization via configuration policy. The capability is included with Security Hub Essentials at no additional cost.